Hi, we are live.
Hey folks, Danielle and I are visiting Miller Park Zoo, where I don't remember the year, but 10 years ago we built this Rainforest exhibit. So it was a design build project. So here's one of the examples. I did the graphic design, copywriting, storytelling. We sort of teamed up with the zoo, and they did a lot of the plantings and things like that. But hey, let's show you some of it.
Let's go inside.
The waterfall. Let's at least show them that. Let's get to the
course.
waterfall. So we also did all the walkways where we imprinted South American type of plants. We did the murals. These were hand-painted murals. Over a decade ago, that was how we did all our murals. Now we sometimes do them more digitally. But back then, we painted on the wall.
If you guys are heading to Miller Park Zoo, it's in Bloomington, Illinois. This is their Rainforest exhibit. Really awesome waterfall.
Yeah. So we did all the trees and the rock work and the murals here, and a system that recirculates the water from this pond up to the waterfall, so it keeps moisture in this sort of tropical exhibit. Then the zoo planted the plants in here, and they've modified that over the years. We had some fake plants in the beginning to get it going, but now the plants are growing really well, and now they're watering them, and so they're growing like crazy. So this is, I can't remember the exact year we did this, but it's over a decade old, and it's worked out really well. This guy really loves it.
He's a pretty cool guy. And there are some really neat birds. Yeah.
Isn't that cool? And the zoo is working on getting the plants to hide the other parts of the wall, so it's a really immersive experience. The director is growing that vine over there on the waterfall, and it's from his dad's funeral. So this was over 15 years ago, but it has a personal story for him, and he's getting it to grow. So this is just a great zoo. It's an open environment. You can really feel like you're immersed in with the animals. Not even in just this exhibit, but the other ones. So it's a really cool zoo. So come visit.